Posible rin ba mag-gain ng weight kahit naka-low carb? 2 weeks pala ako no rice na sugary food, but yung timbang ko nadagdagan from 108 to 112. Ito po, don't focus so much on the weight, kapatid. 2 weeks pa lang po kayong naka-low carb. This is a marathon. It's not a sprint. Maaari minsan makita ninyo sa mga postings sa group na, wow, 2 weeks pa lang, ganyan na yung na-lose niya. Every person's body is different. Respect the wisdom of your own body. Hindi natin pwede i-compare. The important thing to understand is, how are you doing yung low carb nyo po ba? Totoo po ba talagang low carb? Are you sticking to the go section ng food guide po ba? Or marami pa rin po ba kayong mga hidden carbs na hindi nag-give up? Akala kasi ng karamihan, pag nag-give up ng rice, low carb na po yun. But they don't know that there are still many things na high carb na hindi naman siya rice, pero high carb pa rin. For example, tinapay. For example, noodles. So, the quality ng pag-low carb po ninyo is important. Number 2 is the time, kapatid. You don't really see an effect right away for 2 weeks pa lamang po. Consistency, and give it some time po, lalo na kung meron po kayong nire-reverse na medical condition po.